right, we start with some breaking news coming in. Social media influencer Orhan Avatramani, that is Ori, has now been summoned by the anti-narcotics cell in Mumbai. In just a short while from now, we expect to get those first visuals of Ori arriving at the anti-narcotics cell in Mumbai. This is a 252 crore methadone drug trafficking case that is being currently investigated by the narcotics cell. Yesterday, it was Shraddha Kapoor's brother, Siddhant Kapoor, who was in fact questioned by the narcotics cell. And today, it is Ori who's all set to appear before the narcotics cell in just a short while from now. Let's go across to Meenakshi, who's been tracking the details very, very closely. Meenakshi, tell us what's happening around you. We understand that you're reporting from outside the anti-narcotics cell in Mumbai.
Yes, you are right. I'm outside of anti-narcotics cell of Mumbai police, and in a short while, Ori will come here. Anytime he can come here, and he left his house 40 minutes back, and he rushed to this place, which is anti-narcotics cell Mumbai office, and is the gate. He needs to come here, and he will enter from that side, and the right side is the main gate of this office, anti-narcotics cell office. And he was summoned by, we know, ANC because of this drug case, and he was summoned. He needs to record his statement on 1:30 p.m. So it's near about 1:30 p.m. He may come here anytime. What is the case? We know yesterday Siddhant Kapoor, who is the brother of Shraddha Kapoor, was summoned by ANC, and he was questioned by ANC. From top sources, we are getting information that ANC officers are not satisfied from his answer, and he did not deny he was present in the party which was organized by drug mafia, drug peddler, you can say, Dawood Ibrahim Drugs Network main key, Salim Ahmed Suhail Sheikh. He did not deny he was present in these parties or not, because we know that the Salim Muhammad Suhail Sheikh, he claimed in 2017 and 2019, these celebrities like Ori, Shraddha Kapoor, Siddhant Kapoor, they joined the party which was organized by this Salim Muhammad Suhail Sheikh, and he also claimed that. Now we are getting information from our top sources. However, this is under the investigation, and ANC is investigating this case. We are getting information that Ori's role is very important in this case, because we know in this case 2024, on March 2024, a drug manufacturing unit burst, which was situated in Sangli district of Maharashtra. After that, we know anytime Ori will be here. We can see some cars are coming. So we know that in the last week, ANC summoned Ori, and he failed to appear because his lawyer informed ANC that he was not in town. After that, he seeked the time of till 25th November. On 26th November, they summoned him, and he will come. He confirmed, and anytime he will be here at the anti-narcotics cell's office, Ghatkopar. What was the case? I was mentioning about the whole case, which was really high profile case, and it was linked to Dawood Ibrahim also. As we know, Dawood Ibrahim close aide Salim Dhola and his son Taher Dhola is involved in this whole drug network, and they are close associate Salim Muhammad Suhail Sheikh, who was arrested by ANC on November 5, and Taher also deported from UAE on June 2025. After that, after interrogation of Salim Muhammad Suhail Sheikh, he claimed he organized lots of parties which was in Dubai also and Mumbai also, and most of celebrities like Shraddha Kapoor, Nora Fatehi was present in this party. But Siddhant Kapoor, who was present in Mumbai's party, as now officers from top sources we got information. He was might present now anytime he will arrive. You can see the live pictures. We are reporting live outside ANC office. And here it is. Ori has come. Here it is. Ori has come. You can see right side. Ori has come. You can see. Ori has come, and he was guarded by police. Why he was guarded by police? Ori, what is your connection? Ori, what is your connection with Salim Sheikh? Ori, do you know Salim Sheikh? What is exactly your connection with drug network? Ori, were you present any party organized by Salim Sheikh? Why police is guarding this Ori? You can see the Ori, you can hear me? Ori, why are you not responding? Ori, why are you not responding? Do you know Salim Sheikh? Ori, do you know Salim Sheikh? What exactly your connection with Salim Sheikh? With drug network? Were you present any drug party organized by Salim Sheikh, the main accused of this high-profile drug case? Ori, what is your connection with Salim Sheikh? Ori, could you respond? Ori, could you respond? What is your connection with Salim Sheikh, Ori? What is your connection with Salim Sheikh? What a scene. Police is guarding that. Ori, what is your connection with Salim Sheikh?
Okay, that was
What is your connection with drug network? Ori, what is your connection with drug network? Ori, could you respond? He's not responding any question. He was not responding. You can see the live pictures.
Okay, that was my colleague Meenakshi over there reporting from outside the anti-narcotics cell in Mumbai. We asked some tough questions to social media influencer Ori, who has been named in the case. No response so far. Yesterday it was Siddhant Kapoor who was essentially interrogated by the ANC for about 5 hours. We expect to gather more information as the investigation proceeds. Viewers, his name has come up in this 250 crore rupees drug trafficking case after a drug trafficker was earlier picked up by the anti-narcotics cell. He named Orhan Avatramani as one of the many celebrities to whom he used to supply drugs at rave parties. And these are just some of the initial information that we are picking up. His case was surfaced after the deportation and arrest of a drug trafficker and a close associate of fugitive gangster Salim Dola. The arrested drug trafficker, Mohammed Salim, was returning from Dubai on the 5th of November and reportedly made a series of striking revelations during questioning. It was then that Ori's name came up. Let's go back to Meenakshi, who's tracking the story very, very closely. Meenakshi, as we understand, this is a very wide spectrum drug network that the ANC is currently looking at. How many more celebrities have essentially...
This is Ori's car, and from that car he stepped out and he entered the ANC main office. And what we have seen here, when Ori entered anti-narcotics cell office, Mumbai Police, Ghatkopar. Ori came here and we asked several questions to Ori. What is his link exactly, his link with the drug mafias? Where he present any drug party organized by Salim Sheikh? Does he know Salim Sheikh? How exactly he connected with Salim Sheikh? Lots of questions I asked to Ori. But what we saw, he was was chewing gum, and he was so relaxed. And from that gate, he was so relaxed, and from that gate, he entered the main office of ANC. So how we every time see in social media that relaxed Ori, that every time he posed with celebrities, he poses with celebrities, and he looks he so relaxed today when he entered the main ANC office, and he was surprisingly guarded by police. I asked here those who present here why you are guarded him, because we need to need answer from him.
Right.
We are asking questions only.
Yes. Meenakshi, do stay on for the moment. I'd like to take our viewers back to that entire sequence wherein you confronted, where you asked some tough questions to Ori, but he refused to answer. Viewers, take a look.
Come, you can see right side. Ori has come. Ori has come, you can see. Ori has come, and he was guarded by police. Why he was guarded by police? Ori, what is your connection? Ori, what is your connection with Salim Sheikh? Ori, do you know Salim Sheikh? What is exactly your connection with the drug network? Ori, were you present any party organized by Salim Sheikh? Why police is guarding this Ori? You can see the Ori, you can hear me. Ori, why are you not responding? Ori, why are you not responding? Do you know Salim Sheikh? Ori, do you know Salim Sheikh? What exactly your connection with Salim Sheikh? With drug network? Were you present any drug party organized by Salim Sheikh, the main accused of this high-profile drug case? Ori, what is your connection with Salim Sheikh? Ori, could you respond? Ori, could you respond? What is your connection with Salim Sheikh, Ori? Ori, what is your connection with Salim Sheikh? What a scene. Police is guarding that. Ori, what is your connection with Salim Sheikh? What exactly your connection with drug network? Ori, what is your connection with drug network? Ori, could you respond? He's not responding any question. He was not responding. You can see the live pictures.